Well, there's a little thunder for you. It is a rainy afternoon here in Southwest Virginia, and yes, I am giving the Cannibal a run down Old Farm because it's the closest trail to me that has the most routes, and I can tell you right away, it's just as slippery as every other Specialized I have rode in the rain. It just doesn't ring confidence in certain circumstances. Now, of course, I am going to take it super chill due to the fact that the wrist is nowhere near healed. The last thing I want to risk is anything going on, like a nice smash out somewhere on the trail. Nice, took that little slot corner pretty sweet. Moved that section really well. You kind of get good grip on there, but you really got to be careful on those rocks. I mean, it's definitely not the worst grip ever. Yes, this is absolutely wonderful, y'all. Oh, it feels so great riding in a nice little sun shower. Tricky little root section there. Those roots can't catch you if you don't get a good line. You know, quite surprised some of this muddier stuff, the spot where it's actually channeling water. Some more thunder for you. Yeah, I'm actually kind of surprised it's not greasier, but it's actually riding kind of tacky right now. More so than I anticipated, that's for sure. And you know, all said and done, again, I'm not on any crazy speed run, y'all, but I'm pretty surprised with the confidence of the Cannibal in that upper section. So, I mean, some of those spots, they can get real dicey. You know, not even kidding you, that hillbilly grit out back, it's holding up really well too. Yeah, kind of surprised, as greasy as it is, that both tires are doing pretty well. I mean, they're still going to slide off roots regardless, but they do seem to catch traction when you need it. Oh, something's getting some walk on the shift. Oh yeah, she's a digging. I mean, I don't know what it'd be like to actually put it through its paces, you know, So I suspect this will be roughly about a 7-minute run. And that's kind of what I aim for on wet days. My regular just dry day runs are at about 6:30, and PR on this is like, I don't know, 5:45, 5:47 in stellar conditions. Yo, something else I want to make mention of is how well that Synchros 2 fender is really keeping the muck and debris out of my eyes. I gotta say, that is super nice, because I'm not riding with any glasses right now. Woohoo! That got loosey-goosey. Never let your guard down on this trail, I tell you. Man, the stopping power of those 4-pot Maguras with the Makura mid-range pads, seriously impressive. All right, here's another tricky route section, no problem. But I am well pleased with that Magura brake setup. Not necessarily a big fan of the Trucker Co pads this time around. Using them on the rear. I had them on the front in the past. Not messing with any of that today. Bottom of the black line there at Skills Park. But anyway, the Trucker Co pads on the rear definitely don't feel like they offer as much stopping force as the set did that I previously had up front. Of course, it's the MT Trails, 4-pot front, 2-pot rear, and you know, maybe that's the difference, but I still think the original set of Magura pads that I had that came with the, you know, caliper. Sorry, I was letting that car pass by. Yeah, those original pads lasted forever, it seemed, and really had some great bite. Now I'm back to Maguras up front. Magura pads, that is. I'm really digging their biting force and all that. I mean, there's a couple areas on Old Farm where you really got to hammer on the brakes. And though, again, I wasn't at speed, as it were, still coming in at a good clip. There it is. I knew I could found it. Ha! Toda Raba, yeah. I'll stop everything for a rainbow. For real. Boom. Chances are, y'all might not be able to see squat. But if you can make it out, Toda Raba, y'all. Don't care what nobody says. This is creation. One day, y'all all gonna figure it out. But anyway, I'm out of here. Brakes are good. Cannibal performed better than I expected. Hillbilly grid back yonder. I mean, pretty competent little tire in these conditions. Got a little muddy. Woo! Little muddy, little muddy. Get in there a little bit. That said, check that out though. You're not really gonna be able to make it out. It is, you know, remarkably clean down there on the inside. So good.
So stoked with what I've been able to put together. The last final adjustment on this, other than some drivetrain stuff, but that's whatever, because I have a different project coming soon. But the last portion of this puzzle to work out is actually get on a 2.3 or 2.4 rear tire. This is a 2.6, and so the inner rim diameter on this gives it a light bulb shape that's not the most conducive. However, still gets down a trail pretty all right. Better than not good. All right, I'm out of here. Oh, wow. It's actually a double rainbow. I know for a fact y'all won't be able to make it out, but there's one up here and one over here. Boom. All glory to Yah. He is my Yehoshua. I'm out of here. Bye.